Hello and welcome to episode 79 of the Craving Crypto podcast. In today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to get started trading crypto as a beginner. So let's get right into this. Today's video is going to be a little different. Decided to go face to face with the camera and give you guys 3 main pointers on getting started as a beginner in the crypto space. So the first pointer is to start small. Slow and steady wins the race. You really don't need to be putting your entire life savings into this, taking huge risky decisions. I know it's really exciting at the start, but the best thing that you can do is be realistic with yourself. Start with small amounts and accumulate and think long term. Be like, where do I see myself in 1 to 2 years because of crypto trading? Not, okay, I'm gonna go put a whole bunch of money in, risk all of my money, probably not know how to play it right, and then actually lose in the period of a couple months rather than gain over the period of a couple years. Number 2 is don't get overwhelmed with data and information. Keep things really simple. Strategies that are good are easy to understand. One of the best strategies you can have is just to accumulate little bits monthly and then sell 1 to 2 years down the road from now. If you just focus on simplicity, making sure that you just have a couple exchanges that you use, maybe a Trezor wallet to hold some of your coins on, it will really help as a beginner so you don't get overwhelmed with all the different things you can do in the crypto space. It's a really amazing space and there's awesome stuff, but if you're doing this to make money, keep things as simple as possible and don't overwhelm yourself, especially as a beginner. Tip number 3 is do not buy too many coins. So one of the things that as a beginner lots of people want to do is buy like 15 coins. They get really excited, go read on the internet, find all these different projects, and they're like, ooh, I'm gonna put 10% in this, 5% in this, 3% in that, 2% in this, and they just keep racking up all these coins. And then they pick, some good ones, but a lot of bad ones, and then they watch as their portfolio is just consistently volatile and confusing. And again, it just brings back that overwhelm. So what I like to recommend to people, stick with US dollar Tether, Bitcoin, and a few altcoins. Keep things extremely minimal and focus on the big volume, strong fundamental, strong technical analysis names. The EOSs, the Litecoins, the ones that you just know for a fact that there's heavy development, good trading volume, and a good market cycle set up to play. Overall, we got a nice bounce in the Bitcoin markets today. Things are looking a little bit brighter over the doom and gloom that we saw for the past few days. There's a little bit of red, but I see EOS and Litecoin coming in back really strong. It wouldn't surprise me at all if they go back for that local high, break above that local high, and we see a higher high pattern in the market. So the crypto space is heavily undervalued on the big picture currently, and I have no reason to believe that we're going to drop significantly unless we have a major support failure on Bitcoin at around 3,500 per coin. But yeah, guys, stay strong, keep trading. If you're a beginner to this, understand there's a lot of awesome stuff coming in this space, and you're getting in at one of the best times you possibly could be. So give yourself a pat on the back and get ready for some exciting things. Side note, I'm going to be doing some meetups this year after I finish my ebook. One is probably going to be in London, a couple here in America, probably here in Salt Lake City as well. And so just stay tuned for those. I'll give you guys more information on it, but it's going to be really awesome. I love getting in front of people, teaching a group of people how to do this stuff, and you guys can just get hands-on, really understand from my perspective, ask me direct questions, and it's just a win-win for everybody. Like I said, today's a little bit different, so I don't have time to go over the market overview as usual. Got a lot of beginning of the year business stuff that I'm catching up on currently, but you guys go ahead and check out the market cap right now. Things are looking nice and bullish, and we're headed up towards our previous resistance levels. So I will be sure to keep you guys updated with the screen and some more analysis on Thursday. Hey, thank you so much for tuning in today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow me on social media below in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next videos. As always, stay profitable out there.